And welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music, ukula, ukwaba, lyrics, we break them down and we get the message behind it. We criticize, we grow up, we compare. But at the end of the day, what we do is we encourage and we also give props to people. Kwamabandla. And everyone gets some credit. What's up, bro? Hey, yeah, another day, another reaction. Welcome guys. Yabo ngihle kanjani bafethu? Oh my god. Like siphongo sami siphume sonke. Yar. Anywho, thank you guys for the support, man. Wow. Yesterday's video namanje as I'm posting this, we are currently sitting on 113 subscribers. So it's crazy. It is crazy. Shout out to people that keep commenting on my videos. I thank you for the people that are saying thank you to me. I do this out of love, Buffet too. I don't do this for nothing. I just do this because I really do love it. So before we get into a lot of things, make sure you hit that like button. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. I will keep emphasizing it. Subscribe to this YouTube channel. Right, and also don't be scared to comment and give me a recommendation. So today we are reacting to DPM, which is Divine Power Ministries. Mali Katiwe. Yeah, Mali Katiwe. Mali Patiwe Ngobungwele. I'm coming along soon. Soon I'll be able to read. So, listen, this church can sing. But let's dive right into it. My sister, no, please. Yo, I'm in love. Yo, because I'm the first part. No, you can't have such a voice, ungaga siswam. You know, no, Buffett. Now my sister, who are you? Why? How? Like, how? Like, how? Make it make sense. How? Hi. We are only 40. We are only 50 seconds into this. 50 seconds into this. My sister, how on earth do you sound like this? How? Oh my God. Lale voice le honor you, my sister. No. You are setting a standard. Just yesterday, I was like, hey, this new generation of Zion singers, let's school your man. akudlalwa you.
Siyacela ibandla lonke lingene ngaphakathi sikwazi ukuqhubeka nohlelo. Ibandla lonke lingene ngaphakathi. Yo, there is no way ingilosi asamazulwini ingeke yehle kusona. It can't be. There is no way. There is no way. I don't know who's backing my sister, but whoever it is, ngiyakuzwa. I can't pinpoint ukuthi kuphi nendawo, kodwa ngiyakuzwa, like yazi ngiyakuzwa. Yazi abantu abana-timing, the busy. Guys, azange ngibe busy kanje. Sure. Anyway, ndabe ngisho ukuthi whoever is backing this lady, I know ngiyamuzwa. So I guess sizwe bafethu. Sizofunda umbhedesho ofihla iziphambeko zakhe akayiphumelela, kepha ozivumayo azishiye uyakuthola ubusa. Ubusisiwe umuntu owesaba njalo, kepha wenza lukhuni inhliziyo yakhe uyabuyela ebubini. Izaga 28 verse 13 and 14. And I keep telling people, you've never attended the funeral until you attend the funeral lamazayo. Uzokhala ungafuni. The way bakwazi ukuthoba inhliziyo yomuntu ngakhona man. Hey.
ekhule inhliziyo yakhe uyakuwela ebubini. Izaga 28 verse 13 and 14. Jehova yenza okuhle kubo abalungileyo nabaqotho ezinhliziyweni zabo, kepha abaphambukela ezindleleni zabo eziyizinsongonsongo Jehova uzakubahambisa kanye nabenza okubi. Amahubo 125 verse 4 and 5. Kanjalo kusekho kulahla abakuKristu Jesu, ngokuba umthetho kamoya okuphila uKristu Jesu ungikhululile emthethweni wesono nowokufa. KwabaseRoma 8 verse 1 and 8. Qondani ngesithaselo sathane siyahamba njengebhubesi elibhodlayo sifune singamgwini. First Petro verse 5 and 8. Omoba buyele bobini bakhe abenzile yenza okufaneleyo nokulungileyo yakusindisa ukuphefumulo wakhe. Ezekiel 18 verse 27. Ngokuba ngiyazazi isiphambeko zami, isono sami siphambi kwami njalo. Amahubo 51 verse 3. Sithelisa ubuso bami ezonweni zami uhlangule onke amacala ami. Amahubo 51.
That's when you know ukuthi nintsweni. Like that's like legit. That's when you know ukuthi nayo badlala kakhulu insweni. For the fact ukuthi you went from singing shy praise and worship to verse or the Bible being read while you guys are singing. It shows ukuthi ingilosi seyehlile, ingilosi is within, ingilosi vele yalenda athi nkabi yami awukushumayezela abantu while abantu labacula, because manje inhliziyo ivulekile, ingqondo ivulekile, indlebe. Now you are here. Wow. It's amazing. Yeah, guys, it's amazing.
Njalo Amahubo 51 verse 3. Sithelisa ubuso bami ezonweni zami uhlangule onke amacala ami. Amahubo 51 verse 9. Imihlatshelo kaNkulunkulu engumoya waphukileyo, inhliziyo yaphukileyo nedabukileyo uNkulunkulu akawuyidelela. Amahubo 51 verse 17. Nikhephula izinhliziyo zenu kungabi izingubo zenu, nibuyele kuJehova uNkulunkulu wenu ngokuba unomusa unesile, wephuza ukuthukuthela uvame isihawu. uJoel 2 verse 13. Okwenkosi uNkulunkulu wethu isihle nokuthethela ngokuba sihlubukile kuye, asilalelanga izwi kaJehova uNkulunkulu wethu. Daniel 9 verse 9 and 10. Ngiyale Jehova kepha kube ngokufanele ungabi ngolawa lakho ufuna ukunciphisa. uJeremiya 10:24. Ngiyakusuka ngiye kuBaba ngithi kuye, Baba ngilile ezulwini nasemehlweni akho, akusafanele kuthiwa ngiyindodana yakho. uLuka 18:19 verse. Uma sithi asinasono siyazidukisa, iqinisa likho kithi. Uma sizivuma izono zethu, wethembekile ulungile ukuba sithethelele izono zethu, asihlambulule kuko konke. U1 John verse 1:89. Bazalwane abathandekayo, imbhalo iyasiyala ezindaweni nezindawo ukuba sivume izono zethu eziningi nokonakala kwethu, ngokuba singazenzi sizifihle ebusweni bukaNkulunkulu uSomandla Baba wethu osezulwini, kodwa sizivume nenhliziyo ethobekileyo, ephansi, nekhalayo, nelalelayo, siye sithole ukuthethelela kwazo ngabubele bakho nophawu wakho ongenasiphelo. Ngakho ngiyalincenga beninxusa nonke nina elikhona lapha ukuba ninipheze inhliziyo emhlophe namizwi elithobekileyo, siye esihlalweni sasezulwini. Siyocela ibandla lonke liguqe ngamadolo uma ngabe indawo ikhona.
Yo. Ay. Divine power. Now you guys, you got power. No, like for real. I personally think that is going to be in my top 5 best churches choir I've ever heard in my life. Top 5. Like my top 5.
So yes, a video about my top 5, and then what I would do is that my singing is my top 5. It's okay. This because of this one, but until then, Divine Power Ministry. You guys have power. Nina lento power. As I'm listening to the first part, and then kunomuntu obheka ukuthi ubheka from where I don't know. Abantu baba ehlisa ingilosi ivele ehla nje yabela athi pha. Yantanta nje yazi yantanta ingilosi bathi hayi shona khona bhuti. What? I mean, what more do you want from that? Because that's the whole point of the praise and worship. If a song is about worship, you're most likely going to experience this fun analysis. No, man, divine power. There's nothing more I can say. All I can say is, wow. That was amazing. That has to be the best burst. Why long the burst? It has to be the best thing I've heard in a while. In a while. That was amazing. Divine power. So, look, man, if you do like the content on this YouTube channel, make sure you hit that like button. The more you like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Hit that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And also, don't forget to comment. Give me a comment, guys. Give me more recommendations so that I can react to more churches, so that I can be broader, you know. This is the second video, Divine Power react kuyo. Kusazomele ngisho amaZion Ministries, yini inyoni what inyoni nama ayisithupha kuningi. Still need to do second of those. Sasenaburicha sasemele ngibuyele ku redeem futhi yabo. So while ngilapho I try to look for amanye amabandla aqala and then come back and then do that church that I did again. Yabona manje fukenza sure ukuthi there is 2 of wonke amasonto at least on this channel, and then we move on again, we add. So in 2 weeks time kuzoba kuyi-Easter. I will do the best I can, but good to drop as many reactions as I can from Friday. As soon as I get access to the videos, I'm going to react to them. Same time, post nale enye yabo, so ningabi shocked ama-video amawashiyana ngama-hour, because that whole weekend I want to make sure ukuthi again. So in the favorite words of Jupiter, adios.